Let's continue our conversation practice. And today we're talking about immigration.
Yes, this is a very real-life topic, and many learners want to talk about it in English.
Let's start simple. What does immigration mean in easy English?
Immigration means moving to another country to live there.
So, if I leave my country and live in a new one, that's immigration.
Exactly.
And the person who does this is called an immigrant.
Right. An immigrant is a person who comes to a new country to live.
For example, he is an immigrant in Germany.
Very clear.
Now let's talk about reasons. Why do people immigrate?
One common reason is work.
Yes, many people immigrate to find a better job.
Another reason is education.
Some people move to study at universities abroad.
Family is also important.
Right, some people immigrate to join their family.
I want to use a slightly higher level word, opportunity.
Good word, but what does opportunity mean?
Opportunity means a good chance to do something.
For example, this country has more job opportunities.
Exactly.
Immigration is often about searching for opportunities.
Yes, but it's not always easy.
True, immigration can be challenging.
Challenging means difficult, but possible.
For example, learning a new language is challenging.
Very good example.
Let's talk about paperwork.
Paperwork is a big part of immigration,
Paperwork means official documents and forms.
like passport, visa, and ID.
What is a visa?
A visa is official permission to enter or stay in a country.
That's an important word.
Another important word is status.
Status might sound difficult. Can you explain it?
Sure, status means your legal position in a country.
For example, she has student status.
Or he has work status.
Immigration rules depend on your status.
Yes, and people must follow the rules.
Let's talk about feelings.
Immigration creates many emotions.
At first, people may feel excited.
Excited means happy and full of energy.
But later, people may feel stressed.
Stressed means worried or under pressure.
New country, new language, new culture.
Culture is a very important word here.
Culture means the way people live, think, and behave.
Food, traditions, habits, and language.
Some immigrants experience culture shock.
That's a higher level phrase, culture shock.
What does it mean?
Culture shock means feeling confused or uncomfortable in a new culture.
For example, I had culture shock when I moved abroad.
Very natural sentence.
Another common feeling is being homesick.
Homesick means missing your home country and family.
Many immigrants feel homesick at the beginning.
Yes, especially in the first months.
But over time, many people adapt.
Adapt is another good word.
What does adapt mean?
It means to slowly get used to a new situation.
For example, I adapted to life in a new country.
Great.
Language plays a big role in adaptation.
Yes, learning the local language is very important.
It helps with work, friendships, and daily life.
I want to introduce another word, communicate.
Please explain it.
Communicate means to share information by speaking or writing.
For example, English helps me communicate at work.
Exactly.
Many immigrants take language classes.
Because language builds confidence.
Confidence means believing in yourself.
Immigration often makes people stronger.
Yes, more independent.
Independent means able to do things alone.
Living abroad teaches independence.
Absolutely.
Let's pause here and continue in the next part.
In the next part, we'll talk about work, daily life, and long-term goals.
Now let's continue and talk about work and daily life after immigration.
Yes, work is one of the biggest parts of the immigrant experience.
Many immigrants move to another country to find a job.
But finding a job is not always easy.
True, language can be a barrier.
Barrier is a slightly advanced word.
Can you explain barrier?
A barrier is something that makes things difficult or stops progress.
For example, language can be a barrier to finding work.
Very good.
Another barrier can be experience.
Yes, work experience from another country may not be accepted.
That can feel frustrating.
Frustrating means making you feel upset or disappointed.
For example, job searching can be frustrating.
Exactly.
Many immigrants start with entry-level jobs.
Entry level might be new for some learners.
Entry-level means a job for beginners, not high position.
For example, I started with an entry-level job,
Over time, people gain experience.
and they improve their skills.
Skills are very important in the job market.
Job market means the situation of jobs in a country.
Let's talk about daily life.
Daily life includes shopping, transportation, and routines.
Routine is a useful word.
Yes, routine means things you do every day.
For example, my daily routine changed after immigration.
Good sentence.
Transportation is also important.
Many immigrants use public transportation.
Public transportation means buses, trains, and subways.
Learning the system takes time.
Another daily challenge is healthcare.
Healthcare systems are different in each country.
Healthcare means medical services and doctors.
Understanding healthcare rules can be confusing.
Confusing means hard to understand.
Many immigrants ask for help.
Asking for help is a good thing.
It helps people integrate.
Integrate is a higher level word.
It means to become part of society.
For example, learning the language helps you integrate.
Exactly.
Making friends is also important.
Friends help reduce loneliness.
Loneliness means feeling alone.
Immigration can feel lonely at first.
But joining communities helps.
Community is a great word.
Community means a group of people living or sharing interests together.
For example, I joined an immigrant community.
Very natural.
Let's talk about discrimination.
That's a serious topic.
Discrimination is a difficult but important word.
Can you explain it simply?
Discrimination means treating someone unfairly because they are different.
For example, discrimination can affect immigrants.
Yes, but many countries try to protect people.
Laws help protect immigrant rights.
Rights means things people are allowed to have or do.
Knowing your rights is important.
Very important.
Let's do a short practice story.
Okay.
After immigrating, I found an entry-level job. At first, language was a barrier, but I kept learning.
I'll continue. Over time, I gained confidence and improved my skills.
Excellent.
That's a realistic story.
Now let's involve the viewers again.
Yes, this helps learning.
In the comments, answer this question.
What is the biggest challenge for immigrants in daily life?
Try to write 2 or 3 sentences in English.
Use words like barrier, routine, community, or confidence.
Don't worry about grammar too much.
Practice is more important.
In the next part, we'll talk about long-term goals and the future.
And how immigration can change a person's life.
Now let's talk about long-term goals and the future after immigration.
Yes, many immigrants think a lot about their future.
A long-term goal is something you want in the future.
Long-term means not soon, but after a long time.
For example, my long-term goal is to build a stable life.
Stable is a good word.
What does stable mean?
Stable means safe, steady, and not changing too much.
Many immigrants want a stable job.
And a stable income.
Income means the money you earn.
Education is also a long-term goal.
Yes, some immigrants go back to school.
To get better qualifications.
Qualifications is a higher level word.
It means education, skills, or certificates you have.
For example, my qualifications helped me find a better job.
Very good.
Many immigrants also think about permanent residence.
Permanent residence means the right to live in a country long term.
That's an important goal.
Some people also want citizenship.
Citizenship means being an official member of a country.
Getting citizenship can take time.
Yes, it requires patience.
Patience means waiting calmly without getting angry.
Immigration teaches patience.
It also builds resilience.
Resilience is a higher level word.
Can you explain it?
Resilience means the ability to stay strong during difficult times.
For example, immigration builds resilience.
Very nice.
Immigration also changes identity.
Identity means how you see yourself.
People may feel connected to two cultures.
That's called a dual identity.
Dual means two.
For example, I have a dual identity now.
That's common.
Let's talk about success.
Success looks different for everyone.
For some people, success is a good job,
For others, it's family happiness.
or feeling comfortable in daily life.
Comfort is very important.
Comfortable means feeling safe and relaxed.
Many immigrants measure success by comfort.
Let's do one final practice story.
Okay.
After immigrating, my life changed a lot. It was challenging, but I stayed patient and resilient.
I'll continue. Over time, I built a stable life, improved my skills, and felt more confident.
That's a great summary.
Very realistic and natural.
Now it's time for our viewers to practice.
Yes, this is important.
In the comments, answer this question in English.
What is your biggest goal related to immigration or living abroad?
Try to write 3 or 4 sentences.
Use words like goal, stable, opportunity, resilience, or confidence.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Reading other comments can also help.
Learning together is powerful.
Talking about immigration helps you talk about real life.
And real-life English builds real confidence.
Keep practicing English every day.
And keep believing in yourself.
See you in the next conversation practice.
Keep learning step by step.